today is, I don't know what day it is. It's Wednesday. Wednesday. Just did drop off. I guess Daddy was gonna, oh, there's no coffee. I forgot to get coffee. I forgot to pick up a, oh, I have these. I have the Keurig. I'm turning on the Keurig. I haven't turned on the Keurig in like forever, so pretty sure I have to descale that. I have fall decorations and junk and mess everywhere. I need to clean up from breakfast. But I have fall boxes going downstairs. I took out all the floral stems. My house is like bare. It's not bare. It's not bare. There's stuff in there. It's just all those knickknacks. All the junk that I own is out of the spaces, if that makes any sense. And I'm making way for the Christmas tree, because this is where the Christmas tree goes, right in that little area right there. So I moved the chair here so that when it's Christmas and the kids are opening their presents, they have a big space. See all that space between the dining room over there? They can actually sit down and open their presents and not be bumping into anything. So I still have to clean the house. All I did was rearrange stuff yesterday, but I still have to clean. Right now I'm running a load of laundry of our beddings. I'm washing the whites. I smell the bleach. Like, if I don't smell the bleach when I'm doing whites, it feels like I'm not doing laundry. So that's what I'm in the process of doing. Good morning, guys. Maddie. You ready to get dressed?
Jaxson.
Put your dress down.
Beach.
You ready to get dressed? You ready to get dressed? She has speech tomorrow. Juju, get off my couch. Get down. He knows he doesn't belong up there. Get down. Good morning, Jordan.
Good morning.
Judge, did they take you out?
Yes. I think I got feet for that.
Why are you on technology?
Oh,
yeah, it's not Thursday.
I think I got feet.
I don't care what you did. Daddy say you could be on it today?
Yes,
so if I call Daddy right now, Daddy's going to say it's okay for Jaxson to be on technology on a school day. You have school today?
No.
Oh,
His
okay.
Day.
All right, well, we can get up and we can do our chores early.
Okay.
Instead of being on these idiot boxes. Let's do chores. I'm so desperate for some coffee. I took the pod for the Keurig because I don't want to plug up the Keurig because I have to clean it and then I have to wash out the water reservoir, and I'm not doing all of that because I have 1, 2, 3. I have 5 bedrooms to clean for Christmas, including the twins. I have to clean that. I went in there, it smelled like straight feet. I'm like, I can't put not one decoration up in this house for Christmas until this house smells like it's Christmas. You hear me? I can't do it. I can't. I went to Destiny room. I'm going to show y'all the hot mess. And then you tell me whether or not I shouldn't beat these kids when they get home. Because Jaxson, ooh, I went in his room. I was like, oh, buddy room, look, you know, decent. It doesn't smell like feet. I look down, I see clothes peeking out from under the bed. I went, dude been shoving all his clean clothes on the side of the bed because he don't want to put it away. I got something for him. I got something for him because he's done it before and I told him not to do it because I don't like that. And he continues to do it. So I got something for him. Okay, so I just kind of opened the pod and just dumped it in there. Then I'm going to strain it. I'm going to strain. I'm going to strain it. Don't worry, I washed the pot off. So I'm going to strain this and then make some coffee. I don't know. First, let's just get the rough stuff out of here. Oh my gosh, I'm making a bigger mess. What in the world? I'm an idiot. I'm a whole idiot. If y'all don't know that by now, y'all definitely know now. Alright. That's the first mess I gotta clean up. Okay, mug 2 set up. or 3. We don't know. Oh my gosh, I'm about to spill this. Hold this, JJ. Hold the strainer. Hold the strainer. Just hold it.
Smells like waffles.
I should have done it slowly. Ew, Jordan, can you get more napkin?
Where?
I am so smart, people. I keep telling y'all, there's nothing really special about me. I thought it would have went faster. Don't worry. No kids were harmed in the making of this coffee.
Yeah, you're hot.
It's not hot. It's lukewarm. Maybe I should ditch the thing. That's really making too much mess. Okay. Whatever. Special. That's me. No, seriously. 5 rooms in one day. Living room, dining room, kitchen, dining room and kitchen. It's raining today. It's raining, and I hate when it's raining and my house is dirty. I don't like it. Ugh. So I'm going to show you guys when I'm done, because I'm not going to record me cleaning this hot mess because it's a lot to move the camera around. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you the hot mess and then show you what it looks like afterwards, okay? Oh, I forgot. I stuck the coffee back in the... I put a little bit more water in it because I don't know how strong that thing is. Put a little bit more water in it and then microwaving it for 1 minute. Then I put my creamer and see how good that is. That's your lazy style coffee. This thing is nice and hot, so I'm gonna pour some. This is sugar free. I'm gonna pour a little bit in here until it's nice and colorful. And then I use this hazelnut. This is sugar free too. And then I'm gonna pour some, finish it. And then, this is my favorite. This is only 1 gram of sugar for 2 tablespoons. So I usually put a lot in here. Look at that. Yep. That's about 2 tablespoons. Cheers to a new day. Let's go clean some rooms. I'm gonna show y'all Destiny's first. Mine is not too bad.
I cleaned up some what?
No, you did not. Shh. Kashate. Shh. Back chat to me again. This is Destiny. I just threw this here because this is her floor. I bought her Betty. She still don't make her bed. It's not too bad. I can do this in like half an hour. Jackson's room. I need to open the curtains. It's a little too dark in here. Okay. He also has a Betty, but he doesn't make his bed. This is Jack. That's all clothes. Like, you guys still can't see the foolishness in here. Yeah, that's all clothes. Wish I could give y'all a better view, but that's all clothes back down there. And this is not too bad. It's not too bad. The hallway outside of his bedroom, he got clothes strung out here. Then you come into the twins' room. Jordan thinks he's slick. Jordan think he's slick. They think they're slick. This was not like this. Their beds weren't made. There was clothes all over the floor. Okay, all right. At least he tried. There's still stuff over here that needs to go. But this is still not my clean. Look at that. Bed skirt coming off the thing. It still stinks in here. Random shoes. Pile of laundry. Clean laundry that needs to be put away. This carpet needs to be cleaned. Laundry going. This is the messiest of them all. This is it. This is it. This is gonna make me throw the whole camera away. This is, I don't know what's up with Maddie, but I'm telling y'all, half this toy is going to the garbage because I really can't. I'm done. I am done. My anxiety won't let me. This is our bedroom. I just stripped the bed, so my bed is naked. Don't look at my bed. I need to wash our headboard right here. That's Rob's arm. Oh. Not bad. This is my closet. Got decorations flowing out of it. This is where I recorded my Christmas haul. Still a hot mess. This bed, our bed, is over 25 years old. It has survived so many moves. Got a topper on it, but it's still gotta go. So, see what I'm working with? See how far I get, and then I'll show you guys the progress. Welcome to my chaos. Okay, so, all right. I was playing Christmas music, so I had to come get my phone, because as y'all know, I vlog on my phone because Maddie damaged my battery for my camera like a year ago, and I still haven't replaced the battery. Mainly because my computer is downstairs and I really don't want to edit on the desktop. But let me show y'all what I've done so far. This is all the stuff that I have to put away. Let me show you Destiny's room first. Okay, so I cleaned off her dresser, her closet. Move her lamp here for right now because Juju peed on the carpet. I need to clean that. I made her bed. I put on this sheet on the box spring as a makeshift bed skirt for right now. And then, yeah, so her floors are nice and clean. Maddie just did that. So this one's room is clean. She's gonna do her own laundry when she come back. And I cleaned all her surfaces. The twins are working on this bathroom, and then Mr. Jackson's room. I did not take up the clothes. I'm not doing that. He's gonna do that, and he's gonna get a whooping on top of that. But I cleaned all his surfaces. I cleaned off his dresser, and took the stuff out of there that he had over there. I cleaned off this, and I vacuumed. Those shoes are donation. Don't fit them anymore. And I moved the lamp that was here out of his room. And then, this is garbage. The twins worked on their room. I helped them some. They're still working on it. Yeah, they're still working on it. But it's nice and clean. I had to clean out their nightstand. And Jason had some pictures up here. I don't see them anymore. I have to change out their curtains, but that's not even today. And this is all nice and cleaned up. So I have my room and baby girl's room to clean. So far I've done 3 loads of laundry, and I think I'm making progress. It's only a little after 10 o'clock, so I'm gonna go play more of my Christmas music. Hi, Jason. And keep cleaning. So I'm done cleaning my room. I have to clean my bathroom, but I'm gonna run out to the store after run a few errands. I still haven't touched Maddie's room. That's probably gonna be an all-day thing tomorrow because I have to go through all of her toys and make sure everything is spotless. And probably decorate on Friday. I think that's what this is looking like because I still have the surfaces. Like the surfaces, everything is cleared, all the trash is out. I still have the surfaces like the mirrors, the windows, the blinds. I still have all of that to clean before any decoration touch anywhere. But everything is looking good so far. Let me show you guys where I put the stuff that came off of here. As you know, I have my walk-in closet, so I no longer need this. So this is where I put all my spray, deodorant, and yeah, and my Q-tips. I can't live without my Q-tips. I need to get another container. So I think I'm gonna go with red in here, touch of red. I wasn't going to. I was gonna do like green. I have to change out my fall floral, and I'm thinking I want to put something over my bed, but I still have to do my accent wall, so I don't want to mess with the wall. Like I said, I want to put something over here on this empty space over here, but I'm not going to rush it. I'm not going to rush it. When the right piece come along, it will speak to me. But until then, I'm going to take my time and do what I got to do. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to run out to the store and see what I can get to decorate up here because I've never decorated on top of here because I always had my body sprays and stuff, and you know, girl gotta smell good, you know. Girl gotta smell good. I'd rather smell good than Decor sitting on top of my thing doing nothing. So now that I found a home for my scents and, you know, all that good stuff, it's time to decorate. So I think I want to get all new stuff for up there. And a few more pillows. And little trinkets are like my weak thing. It's like a weakness. So let's go to Target and see what we find. I do this every time. I have 9 miles to empty. So I went to Hobby Lobby and Target and TJ Maxx. I didn't buy anything. I didn't buy anything. I picked up these two. Look at them. Look at them. Ooh, the boys cleared off that. What thing? Oh, thank you, Jordan. Thank you so much, buddy. Now I have, ooh, look at that. Oh, the fall is gone. Now I just have to clear out the thing and get this house semi-clean before Rob gets here. He gets here at 4, so. Hi. This one's still in her PJs. So yeah, I need to clean this space right here. And I'm thinking I want to redecorate this whole little space right here, but I don't know yet. And then I didn't clean over here because yeah, ain't nobody got time for that.